In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom to Close CRM. Let's start right inside your Close account. From the main workspace, head to the inbox area under Tasks. This is a familiar place to begin, and it ensures you're in the app's core navigation. Make sure you're signed into the correct Close organization and that you have permission to manage integrations. If you're not sure, check with your workspace admin before proceeding. Now look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Integrations in the sidebar. If your window is small, you may need to expand the sidebar to reveal it. Click Integrations to open the full gallery of apps that connect with Close. On the Integrations page, find Zoom. You can scroll the list, but using the search bar is usually quicker. Type Zoom, and it should appear right away. Click the Zoom tile to open its details page, where you'll see an overview of what the connection does and the option to link your account. Next, click Connect your Zoom account. This begins a secure authorization process. In many cases, Close will route you to the Connected Accounts section in your settings so you can finish the setup. Once you land there, select Zoom to continue. This puts you on the specific page where the connection is managed. Click Connect with Zoom. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the authorization window can appear. Close will now hand you off to Zoom to confirm your identity and the permissions required for the integration. In the Zoom window, sign into your Zoom account if you aren't already. Use the account that your team relies on for scheduling and hosting meetings. After signing in, review the access request and click Allow to grant permission. This approval is essential. Without it, Close can't complete the link. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be prompted to authenticate through your company login. Just follow the prompts. When you return to Close, you should see Zoom listed as connected. That's your confirmation that the integration is active. From here, you can start using Zoom within Close wherever it's supported. If something doesn't connect on the first try, double-check that you use the correct Zoom account, that you have the right permissions in Close, and that your browser isn't blocking the authorization flow. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with Close CRM, setting your team up for smoother meetings and a more streamlined workflow.